Hey there, what's happening, guys? This is Vinay here once again, and today it's a customized Swift. And this Swift was a complete wreck and a complete insurance wipeout. So, me and my team at Shiv Motor Zone tried to customize this car and tried to save it from the scrapyard. And here's how it is looking.
Oh, I could be all it is you need, 'cause we are trying to find a way to feel. If I could sleep, I'd dream of what we'd be, but I can feel you slip further from me. Oh, it makes it hard to be when you are all that I want but don't have, and I'll run into the sea, follow this heart that escapes me, it escapes me, and I'm lost. Forget me, all I want, and become everything. All I hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, there you have it. That was the Swift that was previously a scrap, but now it is a nice customized vehicle. And if you like the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please vote it down. But either ways, do subscribe to my channel. And as always, if you have any suggestions, mention them in the comment section below. And this is Vinay signing off.